A very fine man, too, is Ivan Nikiforovich. They are such friends as the world never saw. Anton Prokofyevich Pupapuz, who goes about to this hour in his cinnamon-colored suit-out with blue sleeves, and dines every Sunday with a judge, was in the habit of saying that the devil himself had bound Ivan Ivanovich and Ivan Nikiforovich together with a rope. Where one went, the other followed. In spite of their great friendship, these rare friends are not always agreed between themselves. Their characters can be best judged by comparing them. Ivan Ivanovich has the usual gift of speaking in an extremely pleasant manner. Heavens, how he does speak! The feeling can best be described by comparing it to that which you experience when someone combs your head or draws his finger softly across your heel. You listen and listen until you drop your head. Pleasant, exceedingly pleasant, like the sleep after a bath. Ivan Nikiforovich, on the contrary, is more reticent. But if he once takes up his parable, look out for yourself. He can talk your head off.